Hey everybody, my name is Kenny Oyola. I'm a part of Group 13 and this is Healthcare Robots by Engineers TBA.
Hello, my name is Jacob Lund. I'm also part of the team Engineers TBA.
Hello, this is Uman Chaudhary. This is Healthcare Robots by Engineer TBA.
Healthcare centers and everybody in them, from patients to managers, healthcare workers, janitors, and more, face challenges regarding the factors such as cleanliness, safety, and quality of care. So we want to create a system that allows patients to feel safe and important while getting the care they need.
The UV bar essentially cleans the toilet seat using a sensor that checks if people have used it or not. Once it detects someone using it, it will wait till they are done and it will turn on the UV light to clean their seat.
This is Homer. Homer is a simple robot that has a scanner, microphone, speaker, and touchscreen video. This is if the person were to say, "Hey, Homer," it will then activate the robot to start going through and checking the temperature and seeing if they would like to talk to a hospital staff.
Homer Jr. uses a tablet that asks patients a series of questions. Powered by Arduino, it can record temperature and uses a motion sensor that detects a hand and it'll dispense hand sanitizer. Additionally, there's a small basket for disposable masks.
Of a hospital room. Here we have our hospital staff, and this can also represent this individual right here can represent our patient. Uh, if we have a patient that were to come into the room, into the hospital room, and let's say, for example, that person needs to use the restroom. When they use the restroom, that will then light off the sensor for the UV light. The UV light, once he leaves, will be able to sanitize the toilet and be able to make sure if there's any more future detection that goes into that room that it will sanitize the toilet as soon as it's done. If the individual patient was to go ahead and uh, go into the room and be able to lay down, or even if they just wanted to walk around, one thing that they could do is that if they felt comfortable enough, they could reach over to Homer Jr. and be able to uh, follow the touchpad instructions. And if they want to use the hand sanitizers, tissue box, anything like that, that they are able to. If they are not feeling well and they don't feel like touching a screen or doing any of that, they can say, "Hey, Homer," and they'll be able to say, "Hey, Homer." Homer will be able to pop up and be able to scan the person's temperature, do a video call, and help the person if they do not feel that they're able to use a touch screen. That will then um, call the hospital staff. If the hospital staff can't help him over the phone or over the video call, that will then signal the hospital staff to come into the room and be able to help out the patient as best as possible.
Although a large UV light can be extremely effective, they can actually cause shadows in large rooms, which can lead to bacterial growth. Not to mention, they cost thousands of dollars. For applications, although convenient, they're often not user friendly and they require monthly subscriptions.
The design created by Engineer TBA offers a comprehensive patient-focused experience that helps a patient feel safer, cleaner, and cared for. Our design meets all the design requirements with plenty of room for modifications to meet the needs of patients and healthcare workers alike.